Hey loves! In today's video, I am reviewing the BH Cosmetics Nice Eyeshadow Palette. I also picked up 4 new eye brushes and created these 2 holiday looks. I purchased the BH Cosmetics Nice 16 Color Shadow Palette for $12. The packaging of this palette is so cute. I really like the red, white, and gold theme along with its mirror. The Nice palette is a sweet mix of pigment-rich neutrals and pops of fresh berry in matte and glistening shimmer finishes. I also needed some new brushes, so I purchased 4 new eye brushes. 3 are from the BH Studio and 1 is from their vegan line. I am highlighting underneath my brow with the Amuse Cosmetics Smokey Single Shadow in Creme using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. I am placing Jolly directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using the BH Cosmetics Small Pointed Crease Brush. I am applying e.l.f. to the outer 2/3 of my lid using the Aloe E113. I am placing Cinnamon on the inner portion of my lid using the BH Cosmetics Small Flat Shader. I am using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush to highlight my brow bone with Cider. I am blending Cider and Jolly together using the Beauty Accents Blending Eyeshadow Brush. For my liner, I used the Nicka Microfine Artliner in black as a base for their eye pencil in dark brown. Before I apply my lashes, I am using the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. I am wearing the Miss 3D Makeup Soft Lash in style 56. I am lining my waterline with the LA Colors Metal Eye Pencil in Atomic. I'm blending Brandy along my lower lash line using the BH Cosmetics Flat Eyeliner Brush. Look number 1 is complete. So far, I am really loving the Nice palette and the brushes are perfect. Same as with look 1, I am highlighting underneath my brow with the Amuse Cosmetics Single Shadow in Creme using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. I am blending the shade Ginger Snap directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using the BH Cosmetics Small Pointed Crease Brush. I am applying Carolers to the outer third of my lid using my Basic Beauty eyeshadow brush. I am applying Angel to the remainder of my lid using the BH Cosmetics Small Flat Shader. I thought a matte brow bone highlight looked best, so I just reapplied the Amuse Cream Shadow and now I'm blending it into Ginger Snap using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender. For my eyeliner and lashes, I will be using this Kiss Lash Glue Liner set. I am using the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes Mascara. I am bringing carolers down to my lower lash line using the BH Cosmetics flat eyeliner brush. I am lining my waterline with the black Nicka K eye pencil. I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with Snowball using the BH Cosmetics Vegan Precision Eye Brush. Look number 2 is complete and I love it. I really like how it contrasts so much to look number 1. Thanks so much for watching. Have you tried any of the BH Cosmetics 2020 holiday collection? If so, let me know in a comment below. Also, tell me which one of my looks was your favorite. Check the description for all of the products that I used in today's video, and until next time, bye loves!